Hello everyone. Let's start solving today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is complement of base 10 integer. The complement of integer is an integer you get when you flip all the zeros to ones and all the ones to zeros in its binary representation. For example, the integer 5 is represented in binary as 101. So if we flip the bits of this, then we will get 010, which is the complement. Okay, complement of string. And the integer represent decimal representation of this binary is 2. So we have given an integer n and written its complement. So first thought what comes is, see, this is a easy level question. So what you will do, you will find all the binary representation. So you'll convert this to binary and then you'll flip and then convert again to integer and then do. But instead of that, what we can do, so there are different operators. So we will be using XOR operator here. So in XOR, what happens, if it is same, we will get 0. So for example, 1 XOR 1, we will get 0, and 1 XOR, or let's say 0 XOR 1, we will get 1. So this is what we want. If we have 1, so let's consider this is my input. Okay, this is my bit in my binary, okay, representation. So this is my bit. So if I have 1, I want to convert it to 0, so I can do XOR with 1. If I have 0 bit, I can convert it to 1 by doing XOR. So what we can do, let's say our binary representation is this: 0 1 1 2, or not 2, 0 1 and 0, let's say. And if we do XOR with this, okay, then what we will get, we will get 0 XOR 1 is 1. This will get 0 0 0 0, not this one, 1 and 1 0 and 1. So this is what we want: 0 1. We flip the bits. Okay, so for that we understood. Now if we do the XOR of with the current number with this, we will get the complement. Okay, now how we will get this one? So to find that, we have to find the number of bits in the our current number. Okay, so for that, what we can do is, if we search, okay, search on internet, number of bits in a number. Okay, if we do, yes, if you see, not this, sorry, number of bits in binary. Yeah, so if you see, okay, let me search in proper way. Find number of bits of integer Java binary representation. Okay, not bit count, there'll be some integer. Okay, I mean, there will be one method to count that bit traversal. This one, see, integer dot to binary string. So we will first convert it to binary string and then get the link. So first find out if there is anything such any inbuilt method which you can use. So it will convert to binary string, and the length we will get the number of bits. Now we want the mask. What is mask? This 1111. So we have number of bits, so we have to do this. So what we can do is, we have number of bits, right? So we will left shift our 1. Let's say, consider we will take this, okay, and we will left shift till here. Okay, here 6 are there, so we will left shift by 6. So what we will get is, for this array, what we will get, for this binary string, what we'll get is 5 zeros, 6 zeros, and this. So we have to subtract 1, then we will get this one. Okay, this binary string, this is binary subtraction. So what we have to do is, 1 left shift by number of bits and minus 1. So we will get that, and we just have to return what? N XOR that mask. That's it. So let's run this. So before solving any question, just understand if there are, like, find out if there is any built-in method which you can use. So yes, accepted. Let's submit this solution, or you can also do it by yourself using the while loop. So yeah, you can see our solution got accepted. So this is a way to solve this question. Thank you so much for watching this question. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, stay updated. Thank you.